Okay, here we are, January 7th, 2024, Sunday, and we're having a typical winter day in the Highlands. Take a little walk here. The birds are trying to find some bird seed on the ground. Right underneath the bird feeder. Might try to kick some snow off here for the birds. Sorry for moving around a little. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's supposed to snow all day, so I think we're going to have some decent accumulation. You can see I've got my deep snow boots on. And I got my heated gloves. Winter has definitely come a little late this year, but it eventually always comes. Snowplow just went through a little bit ago. They seem to be coming early this year. Last year it took forever to get a snowplow to come through. Out here and get across the stone wall if I can, and you can see the snowplow leaves a pretty good berm here, almost over top of my boots. But it's coming down pretty good. This is Bill's house over here, across the street. We have a few neighbors in sight. Pretty quiet on a snowy morning. Had a little slip there. Eagles hanging in the snow. Guess I'll be snow blowing the driveway. Probably not till tomorrow morning. We'll see how much we get. We'll see how much Andy likes it a little bit later.